Hello student. Okay, we have today we will discuss the question the electric power. Okay, electric power. I think that you may have seen the question in the NCRT book or other publication also. There is a topic electric powers. I related that you may have seen that so many numericals are there. But before solving this, you know that we have to know what is the electric power. Electric power means what? The work is done by, okay, work is done per unit time, simple that you can say. Okay, that you can write the, it is defined as the rate at which work is done by electric current. Okay, means by the electric current how much work is done during that time. Okay, and it is denoted by P. Power is denoted by P. Okay, so you can write here that is the P is equal to W by T. That is the power equal to work by time. Is it clear? That you can write. Okay, so that P is equal to W by T, or you can write since P equal to, yes, in another terms you can write, because we have W is equal to E. Work is equivalent to energy. Both are a scalar quantity. Work is also a scalar quantity and energy is also a scalar quantity. Okay, so you can write here if W is equal to E, so here will be at the place of W E by T. Can we write here? Okay, very good. But you know that if you will write, but we have also one formula, okay, from electric potential. What is the formula? We have V is equal to W by Q. Can we write here? This is the formula. Electric potential is equal to work done by charge, or amount of work done by test charge also you can write. You can cross multiply, so you will write here W is equal to, okay, V into Q. Can you write? Okay, but you know that charge is equal to current into time also, no? You have formula since or I equal to Q by T. This is the formula, no? You can cross multiply, so here will be Q is equal to IT. Can we write here? So this value substitute here, therefore W is equal to VIT. This will be, no? So that I have written here. Okay, W is equal to E. At the place of W you can put here will be E by T. Is that clear? But we have W, by cross multiplying we can find out V is equal to Q. But also you know that Q is equal to, here formula by using currents, I is equal to Q by T, cross multiply. So you will get Q is equal to IT. This value you substitute here. So we got VIT. So that we can write here. And by using Ohm's law, from Ohm's law, what is the formula? V is, okay, equal to RI. So this value you can substitute here. Therefore W is equal to, or P equal to also you can write. Okay, W is equal to, at the place of V you write down RI into IT. So what you will write? W is equal to, okay, I square here will be I square RT. Can we write here? One formula, W equal to I square RT. If you will eliminate the I, suppose that also you can write here W is equal to, at the place of I, what you will write? V by R. Can we write? Since we have, I is equal to V by R. Can we write? I is equal to V by R. Therefore W is equal to, here will be V by R whole square RT. Therefore here will be V square, and this R and one R will cancel out. Here will be V square I by R. W is equal to, this also you can write. Can we write from? So this type of formula you can write. Another also you can eliminate this value R. At the place of R you can substitute VI. So another formula you can find out. Is it clear? So that's a very important question. This is the important question that you will use to solve the numericals. And one more is related, that one, this is the electric energy. Electric energy means It is defined as the total work done by electric current in given time. Whatever the time interval is given, according to that the work is done. Is it clear? So electric power, that you can write here, electric energy equal to power into time, or E equal to Vt. This you can write here. Can we write? And same process we have the value of P. What is the value of P? This you can substitute here. Can we substitute? If you will substitute here, since P equal to E by T, so this value you can also put. If you will put here P equal to E by T, if you will put here, then you will find E equal to, it will be cancelled out, no? E equal to, at the place of P, what you will find out? You will find out, or this value substitute here, E by T into T. So all will here cancel out, no? So better use these equations at the place of T. Here is the this value. So you will put here which one? At the place of T, this value you will put. So E equal to P into W by VI. This relation also you can find out. Okay, and another's you can also write these ones. Okay, which formula? E is equal to VIT. Also you can write VIT. Okay, and another in terms of resistance, because we have E is equal to VIT. This you can also use. Okay, that is equivalent in terms of, okay, in terms of R also you can use this one, I square RT also. That will equivalent to I square RT. Okay, so according to the questions you can put the, okay, formula. Okay student, so you will use this one also. Okay, thank you.